Hey, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver and today we're gonna have another trading session with binary options on Quotex. The link is gonna be in the description to this video, and also you can find a link to a Telegram group where you can join for free and find a lot of useful information as well as signals from me and my team. Let's go to the video of today. By the way, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, but you know that already. Let's go with a quick one here. 1, 2, 3, 3,000, and I did that because I see the line of the Bollinger are looking up. All of them are looking up. It's a good indication that the price is gonna go up, and it's only a 30-second one, so this is one of those dynamic ones. Let's see where we can get with that. I have a few thousand on my balance, so let's go and see. Also, the MACD there is showing us that the price was going up. This is a pretty dynamic and short options, so bear with me. Let's go for the next one, and let's make also again on the same situation. We're gonna make a 5,000 one. Let's see, 30-second time only, guys. Let me know in the comments if you like this format, because this is a bit hectic one, and obviously we're going really like intuitively basically, and then using the really fast decisions and really risky ones as well. This is pretty risky, but if you know the asset, for example, if you've been, let's change to 1 minute for now while I talk. What about this one? Or over here, we'll go ahead and do the same thing. It looks like the same 4,000 there. And while I want to explain something, that the technical analysis, which you can learn by studying on the you have to study to actually understand it. And then again, you have some of the assets that you probably favor trading. So if you work with those assets, you get a familiar a familiar feel with them, and then you can act almost intuitively with those assets. Since I work usually with a lot of the times with the same assets, it's the currencies. I use more or less the same currencies every time, so this situation is in my favor because I already see the behavior of those assets on this, and plus we work more or less on the same time frame. Here we have profit already, guys, for this one. Which is 1 minute or 30 seconds, sometimes 2 minutes. It's a bit longer, but mainly 1 minute. I know how it behaves on this time frame, so therefore it plays in my favor. So when I do those intuitively, I kind of know the pictures it draws already. So let's go for the next option. Let's choose. I mean, right now, I mean, here again, Bollinger, all the lines are looking up. We're breaking through those, I think. So let's go ahead and use that situation. Let's go for another call option. Let's go 3, 5, 7. So okay, 1,000 each, 7 of those, and let's wait for the result here. Here it is. Here it is, a profit, huge profit, guys. With this pretty dynamic and like huge ones, you can make some serious income. But also you need to be really sure that you can also kind of risk it. This is one of the main. Oh, look at this here. I'm gonna go ahead and make a call option here for 6,000. You gotta be sure that you can risk this amount, because otherwise it can eat you. So let's wait for the results. All right, there it is. We just had a profit. This was the correct option. Let's see if we can get another one. all over here. Let's find out. Okay, so this one is going up actually. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and make a call option here. I think there is a little pullback from the bullish trend, and I think from here we're gonna make. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7,001. So let's wait for the result. Oh, this one was not correct. Okay, let's go. Just made a huge one, guys, to make up for the other one. So let's wait for the result of this one. But basically, I mean, it's only 30 seconds this. So basically, I was looking at the Bollinger bands, and basically it acted as a, so the lower line acted as a support level. So from this I made a decision that it's gonna bounce off it and go up, and I made this quick one. As you can see, this was so risky because it started just now, it started to go lower the price. But guys, this type of trading session is just a bit of a dynamic touch to our normal trading sessions, because they could be a little bit slow. Sometimes I try to explain in between, but sometimes it's a bit slow and maybe not everyone likes this format. Make sure to let me know if you do like this format, and make sure to trade only with a cold head, study technical analysis. Make sure to join our free Telegram group where you can learn just that and a lot more about trading, different situations, different scenarios, different strategies, and obviously indicators. Make sure to learn all that, and happy trading. I'll see you all next time. All the best. Good luck.